Welcome to STEPWELL, anytime, anywhere with you. Exclusive marketing partner of STEPWELL, the new thoughts of life. It is a unit of STEPWELL Multi-Project Private Limited. 100% solution of your education tips. Magic happens. We invented a magical self-study mobile apps for class 8 to 12 of all board CBSC, ICSC, ISC, WB State Board and all competitive exam. Our apps help you. Unlimited mock test of MCQ in all subject and chapter wise with instant answer 24:7. Details question and answer for preparation of term 1 and 2 even board exam. Free web page by your name where you can upload and download and question and sheet. Suggestion and tips weekly exam for your grading. Lab guide by animation and graphics. Audio visual class 24/7 professor and teacher support. Parents will take progress of their beloved anytime anywhere. CBSC, ICSC, ISC, WB, West Bengal boards and all competitive exam. 100% solution of your education problem. One app's first time in India. Information about basic identity of STEPWELL. Registered in ISO 19001:2015. Registered in MCA. Affiliated by NSDC. Affiliated by PBSSD, affiliated by WBSCL, affiliated by MORD, implanted in DDU GKY project, implanted in Utkarsha Bangla project, implanted in PMKVY project, paid project on all skill development. Benefit of STEPWELL app. Benefit for student. Interesting, playful and boring less preparation. Subject and chapter wise preparation. Term wise, exam wise preparation. Before a Pacific exam. About 12,000 plus MCQ each class with solution. Audio, visual and animation of their topic. Lab guide thought, audio visual. Individual direct contact to our expert teachers. Weekly exam for BSA, SA, LA type question sheet. Important notes, suggestion in download section. Photo gallery for important photo diagram map event. Color combination to project eyes of student. Benefit of STEPWELL app. Benefit for parents. Upgrade your beloved in national standard. Track educational improvement anytime. Attach them in their weak subject chapter. No need to buy additional books. These are in the app already. We took the essence from the book. This app saves your money in many ways. Study room in your beloved's mobile. You can earn unlimited if you share the app. Benefit of STEPWELL app. Benefit for teachers. No need to set up question paper for mock test. Check IQ of your student in easy way. Make your student serious. Careful thought unlimited mock test subject chapter wise. App guides them for competitive exam in future. Make them prepare in very short time labor. Teach them in interesting way with the app. You can earn unlimited if you share the app. Who use STEPWELL app? All school student. CBSC class 5 to 12, ICSC class 5 to 12, West Bengal board class 5 to 12, all stream arts, commerce, science. Who use STEPWELL app? All competitive exam student. Central government exam, Rail, Bank, LICI, GICI, UPSC, RPF, RPSF, FCI and other exam. State government exam, WBCS, PSC, SSC, TET, NET, SET and other exam. Who use STEPWELL app? All professional study student. JEE, AIEEE, GNM, ANM, BCA, MCA, LLB, Jexpo Polytechnic, Medical Engineering and other study. Get a chance, 7-day free trial. Empower your brain, memory and intelligence by Artificial Scientific System Neuro-Linguistic Program NLP Who certified. We need promoters all India, district, state wise. No registration fee. Call for only serious person. A unit of STEPWELL Multi-Project PVT Ltd. STEPWELL, Step for Well Future and ISO 19001:2015 certified. Government of India and WB affiliated. কল করুন 9874798866 এবং 9330104199 এই নাম্বারে। Thanks for your patience. Like, comment, share. Viral advertising promoted by Digital Deal International. Any type advertising, contact this number.